Where to see Progressive's discount options. Hello and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial, and you can just go and follow this way. These are all the ways to save with Progressive Insurance and find discounts you might qualify for, plus where to look for them on the website and in your policy. So Progressive has a dedicated page that list auto insurance discounts and saving you can earn when you quote or customize a policy. It shows options like loyalty, multi-core, good student, bundling, paperless billing, and many more. So you can visit their official site, which is progressive.com/auto/discounts, and this is the particular page. And there are particularly these kind of discounts available. We have multi-policy, which is save when you combine auto with another policy like home or rentals. Apart from that, we have continuous insurance, which is reward for staying insured without gaps. And apart from that, we have multi-car discount, which is saving for insuring more than one vehicle. And other than that, we have snapshot safe driver discount uses based program for safer driving is equals to lower rates. And apart from that, we have other kind of discounts as well for good student discount, which is lower rates for students who qualify. And apart from that, we have online quotes, sign online, paperless, which is discounts for using digital tools to get a quote, sign documents, or receive emails. And you can also save by paying premium upfront or setting up a auto-pay. There's discounts vary by state and your individual profile. They are listed on Progressive's website. You can just go and check it out where they explain requirements and typical savings. And you can just go over and see it up. If you're looking for home insurance discounts, then you might see discounts for bundling home and auto policies, safety features like alarm systems, pay in full discounts, advanced codes, etc. You can just go and check it out. And that way you should be able to maximize your savings. That should probably help you out. You can directly look out for the site right here, and there you should be able to view up all of the discount Progressive insurance discounts, and that is how you see it. You can just go over and see ways to save it. So we hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more.